Today we will be discussing about the battery charger and memory card here. I ordered this from Lazada. The, the charger is for the Osmo action camera, and for the memory card it's also supposedly for the Osmo action camera. So let's unbox this. So basically, before we unbox, this costs 1,600 pesos. 1,600 pesos, basically. Yeah. $1,600. It comes with memory card and charger with 2-piece rechargeable battery as well. So this came directly from China to here. This is the packaging. This is packaging for the memory card here. It says China. And for memory card class 10. So that's what I ordered. So three cards. The cost is $734, or roughly about how much? Maybe $15. And this one, I ordered this one, a charging kit triple channel charger with 2-piece 1,300 milliampere rechargeable Lion batteries, lithium battery with USB charging cable. Costs 850 pesos. So roughly maybe $70. So let's open this one. So we'll open the charger first. This package doesn't contain anything else aside from this. So the box is this one, BCAB1, and this. So let's open it. So so it contains this. Let's put it aside. Let's put this aside. This is the charger. USB cable, 3-slot charger, battery, and battery. So this is a battery for the Osmo action camera. Charger and this. So basically this is what I ordered, and what arrived is what I ordered. So I'm not sure if this works or not, but so I'll have to test this out. But for the specs of this, the input is 5 volts, the output is 4.35 volts. Model is BC-AB1. That's the triple charger. So this I would have tested out, and I'll give you another feedback on how it works. The question mark here is if this battery is legit or not. Can they last long? Or is this like class A type of battery, not an original one. So that's basically the big question here. If this is the unoriginal battery, then this is very much worth it. But if it's class A, then it might not be worth it. So now let's I'll put this aside and let's try the memory card. This is the packaging for the memory card. I'll open this. So the memory card is so this is the memory card. I'll open this. This packaging comes with a $2 paper money, obviously a play money, and this is the memory card that I ordered. And it comes with this one, micro SD converter, so or reader, this card reader. So for these ones, I'll have to try to see if it works or not. So supposed to be it works. That's what they said on the reviews from Lazada. So that's the reason I bought them. But if it doesn't work, then I'll have to return this to the seller. If this works, this is actually a pretty good deal. So the size of the memory card here is 256. This one is 256. This is 512. And this is 256. Both for this 256, for these two ones, I plan to use this one for the Osmo action camera and this one for my mobile phone. So I'll have to make another video about these ones, if they work or not. So hopefully they work, otherwise it will be a headache to return these things to Lazada. So with that, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.